Hi guys, in today's video it's going to be a special video. It's an unboxing of a box chock full of goodies and miniatures that was kindly sent to me by a great guy from the United States of America, Freddie. So thank you very much, Freddie. Okay girls, do you want to have a look to see what's in the box? Now I've got to be honest guys, I did cheat a little bit yesterday and had a Twinkie. As you can see, this is a Twinkie that he sent and it was absolutely yummy. Just take all the stuff out the box, girl. Just everything you can take out.
I want to try these now.
You want to try one of those? You can try one now if you want to.
Yeah, they look nice.
Moon pie.
They have cream in the middle, it says on the front. Ooh. I love the
Looks like a mini. In this country, do we still have wagon wheels? Yeah. We still have wagon wheels. It looks like a wagon wheel. Oh, it's rolling.
Yeah, it has like marshmallow in the middle, I think. It's pretty sure it's marshmallow.
Wow.
It's like cream.
And we also got some hot tamales.
Oh, what are they?
I think they're spicy sweets. You're going to love these, Meredith, Savannah. They love M&Ms, but these are special flavoured M&Ms that we can't get in this country. Caramel and peanut butter M&Ms and some Mike and Ike original candies.
These kind of taste like the Pop-Tarts. You know, we have these Pop-Tarts, but
Do they?
Pop-Tarts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try these Pop-Tarts.
Warheads! Oh,
Yeah, you're going to like those. In this country we do get Pop-Tarts, but we don't get cool flavours like that. We get strawberry and chocolate. I think that's about it. So I bet this is going to taste absolutely amazing. And the miniatures, I'm filming with one hand guys, so it's going to be difficult for me. Can you come in, Karen, and just unwrap those?
I'm going to try a Milky Way.
Go on then.
Where are they? Very easy to open.
So I've got some. You like the Milky Way?
It's like got marshmallow and fudge.
Ooh. I got some. What are these? I know they're Space Wolves, but are they just Space Wolf Terminators? Sorry.
They have caramel.
Some Space Wolves Thunder Wolves. Some. I'm not sure what these are. Space Wolf Tactical Marines, I think.
Now we're going to try.
And they're Tactical Marines. I think they're Tactical Marines anyway. And some really cool pre-heresy Terminators. I think these are Tartarus Terminators, I think so. And also he sent me this really cool anniversary white dwarf miniature of Grombrindal, and I'm going to paint this up and send it back as a small token of my appreciation for all the really cool goodies he sent out. So guys, I just want to say a huge thank you once again to Freddie for sending out this really cool box set. Girls, do you want to say thank you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, alright guys, thanks for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next one.